Hey guys, it's Cron here, and today we're gonna learn how to run cron jobs with Node.js. Cron jobs is something that you can use to schedule some tasks to run automatically. For example, some database backups and report generation and stuff like that. With Node.js, it's really easy to achieve this functionality. So let's get started. Alright guys, so let's create a new project. Well, you can create a new project from the scratch, but what I'm going to do is I have not startup project that I have created. So I'm just going to clone it into my directory. I'm going to type git clone and paste down this URL. Oops. Just like this, and it will clone this repo. It's a node starter project written with TypeScript, and you can also use the same starter project. I'll put the link in the description down below. Alright, so it's cloned. Now let's open this up in our code editor. Alright, so now our project is opened in WebStorm, and let me walk you through the project's folders and files. First, let me get rid of these error lines because I haven't really installed any package yet. I'm gonna type npm install, and this will install all the packages mentioned in this package.json file. Alright, and there are some. Alright, so and I'm going to create a new environment file as well, which is .env. Here let me put some values. I'm gonna type app name. I'm gonna type cron jobs, then app port. I can use any port. I'm gonna type 4000, and I'm going to add this db URL property as well. I'm gonna fill this later. Alright, so let's go to this index folder. Now we don't have any errors, and so let me walk you through these files and folders. First, we have config folder, which includes this index file, which contains all the environment variables and injects them to our code. And then I have controllers. It's a test controller. It has a test method which does nothing but returning this success message. And I have routes folder, and inside that I have a main route file, and it just has one route, which is a get route, and it links to this test method which is in this test controller. I think that's pretty much it. And obviously we have our app file, which import express and create an application, and it's using this express.json and also this URL encoded methods, because we need those to parse our JSON bodies and everything. And then I have this server file, which is which listen to the port just like this. And apart from that, I have environment file and git ignore, then package.json. Let me walk you through this package.json file. It has name, property, version, description, and the entry point, and also it contains some packages already. I have included .env to read this environment variable file, and also it's using already express. And I have included another package called joy, which is a request validation package. It's very easy to use. And finally I have included mongoose, which is an ORM for MongoDB. And for dev dependencies, I have included this types express package that contains all the TypeScript interpretations for express, and this ts node dev, which automatically restarts our application when I am making a change. So that's pretty much it. It's a basic, very simple project to get you started with any project you want to build. Alright, so let's close this everything, and let's work on our project, which is running cron jobs, right? Alright, so before running any cron jobs, we need to install a package called node-cron. So I'm going to install that package now. npm install node-cron. So this will install node-cron package, which allows us to run cron jobs in our project. So as you can see, it has been installed. Now let's write some code. First, I'm going to create a new directory in this src folder. I'm going to name it cron. So this is where I'm going to put all my cron job files. And here, let's create another file. Let's create a file called runner, just like this. So here I'm going to write my cron jobs. So it's that simple. First, I'm going to import our package, import cron from node-cron. Right, now I can write a command to run cron job with the frequency that I want to run it. I'm going to type cron dot schedule. This schedule function is the one that runs our task. As the first argument, I have to enter what's the frequency that it should run. For example, I can run it every 5 seconds or every hour, once in a day, something like that. And as the second argument, I have to pass an asynchronous function. I'm going to type async, just like this. Oops. Here we can write whatever we want. For now, I'm going to just add a console log, just like this. So here I need to define the frequency. So this has its own syntax. Well, I'm not going to explain that, because you can write that syntax with the help of ChatGPT or something. Let me paste down what I wrote. So this is the syntax to run this particular cron job every 5 seconds. Alright, so this is complete, and I need to import this to my app file. I'm going to import this runner file into our application file. I'm going to import that here as well, just like this. Now let's run our application. npm run dev. So the application is started with this 4000 port, and let's see. Yes, we have this console log, which means our cron job is running every 5 seconds. Alright, so now we have successfully managed to run our cron job. Now let's do some real world thing with this cron job. So let's run some script to back up our database every 5 seconds. Right, that makes sense, right? We need to back up our databases, so we need to run a cron job that automatically runs every 5 seconds. So our transaction records are backed up every 5 seconds. Alright, so first I'm going to open up my env file, and I'm going to put this DB URL. I have a local database. Hit save, and I'm going to close this. Alright, so I'm going to create a new folder called utils. So here I'm going to put my scripts. I'm going to create a new file, functions. Here let's write a function that backs up our database. So I'm not going to write the function myself. I just asked ChatGPT to write it for me. Let me paste it down here. It's a simple function. Oops, I need to create this model review because I have a table, I have a collection called reviews. I'm just going to create a new folder here called models, and inside that I'm going to create a model called review.ts. Alright, so here I'm going to paste down the code for our model as well. Well, I'm not going to cover these stuff because I have covered these models and all the CRUD functionalities in my previous tutorials. So this is our model, and I'm going to import this, import review, just like this. Alright, so this is the function. So what this does is it outputs a backup to this users dump JSON. Well, this should be reviews dump. So it automatically creates a file in our directory with the records of our reviews collection every 5 seconds. So it reads our reviews collection and gets it here, and if the length is 0, so it console log this message, and or else it writes the output to this file. Alright, so let's copy this and put it right here. I need to use this await keyword because this is an async function. Alright. Alright, so let's open up the terminal and run this again. I think we have some error because let's check. Well, the MongoDB server is running, but I haven't really connected to our MongoDB in our app file. Let's just paste this function. So what this does is it connects to our MongoDB server, and I need to import this DB URL here as well from this index file. Should be configs. Alright, let's try this again. Now I think we have successfully back up our records to this reviews dump file. Let's open it up. And here, yes, I have all the records here, all the records backed up to this reviews dump JSON file every 5 seconds. So currently it overwrites the same file, but you can put a name on it, put a dynamic name to this, and it will create multiple files. So it's up to you. So that's it. So we have successfully run a cron job that runs every 5 seconds. You can customize this. You can run this every hour, maybe once in a day or something like that. You can even specify the time that you want to run this cron job. So this is very important in real world applications. You just need to run some automated tasks, maybe some report generation or anything like that. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed the video. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys very soon with the next video.